Once upon a time in a faraway land, there was a little girl who loved to dance. Her name was Luna, and her shoes were magical. They sparkled with every step she took. One day, while playing in her backyard, Luna found a glowing flower. And when she touched it, she was whisked away to a magical world called There she met a talking bunny named Beeble, who challenged her to a riddle. "What has wings but cannot fly?" Luna answered. "A plane?" And Bibble was impressed. They then met a flying teacup knight named Sir Pom-Pom, who was guarding the Giggle Gardens, but a grumpy cloud named Cloudy was ruining everyone's fun. Luna gave Cloudy a big hug, and soon the three of them were having a tickle fight. Cloudy started to giggle and soon realized that being happy made her feel light as a feather. In the end, Queen Twinkle, the ruler of Whimsyville, was so happy that Luna had come to their rescue. She even invited her to the Royal Whimsy Ball. And as the night went on, Luna realized that Whimsyville was real and that magic was all around her.